I remember one student of mine. He was chasing down the HMO and also SA route, and realizing he spent too much time running around doing the cleaning, putting into systems, doing the check-in, check-outs, building the software, the CRM, doing trying to avoid double booking and from Airbnb, Booking.coms, and all that. Instead of his original idea is to have a relaxed and stress-free life. So maybe you shouldn't look at that. Maybe you should look at maybe HMO, or even provide social housing to housing association. Like you can structure property and then negotiate a deal with housing association, and then offload the property for them for the next 5 to 10 years with a long lease, and then you don't have to care about it. Or maybe commercial, because they can assign a FRI lease